unicorns, I'm going to show you another math game. This one is using Dominoes. On our class dojo, I'm going to put this file that you can print. If you don't have Dominoes, then you could use. And there will be a variation that uses dice, just in case you don't have Dominoes. So this is actually a tic-tac-toe board, as you might have been able to tell. And so an easy way to play this game, and you can vary it however you want. Right now I have it going up to 12. So you can take out the higher numbers if you don't think your student is able to go to 12 yet. But if they are able to go to 12, then you're just going to keep it like this, and it's going to be just like tic-tac-toe. You're going to take your turn, and they get to choose a spot on the board that they want. So let's pick this one. And then you can let them count how many there are, and if they can write the number below it, then they get to take the spot. So this one would be 10. So they would then have to write the number 10. And if they did that, yep, then you get to make either your X or your O. All right, so then the next person would get their turn. So let's say I'm going to choose this one, and I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh man, that's not right. It's not a 10. Try again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. Okay, I think that's a 1 and a 1. Nope, sorry. Okay, it's the next person's turn. So the object is to get them to count correctly and then to write the number correctly. I think it's okay if you let them count again if they don't get it right. More counting practice, the better. If they don't write the number correctly, that's the point of the game. So I would say, oops, sorry, my turn. And then you would get another turn. So that is one way that you could play. Another way that you could play is you could use your dice, and you could roll the dice and count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then I'm going to have to match and see if I can find a 7 on there. So this helps with subitizing. So you can see there's a 6 and a 1. That's also adding. I mean, if you want to do adding, you do 6 plus 1. So then you're finding another tile that matches, and it doesn't have to be the same number. So it doesn't have to be a 6 and a 1. We just happen to have a 6 and a 1 here. So I would say, all right, I get that one. I'm gonna write my X. And then it's the next person's turn. And then I've got 8. So I don't have an 8 on the board, so it would be X's turn again. And just keep going like that. Obviously, you cannot use the blank one for 0 because when you roll the dice, you can't have 0. So if you get that one, and just switch it out. If you want an easier version of this and you don't want to do up to 12, you just take away a dice, find the dominoes that have up to 6. And then you just play that way. The good thing about printing the dominoes is that you don't have to really look very hard for them. You can just print out the ones you want, cut them out, and then you will have as many as you need to play. So, all right. So that is a couple variations of how you can play tic-tac-toe. You could always challenge yourself and make it even harder if you take out the ones that are above 10. And you can make them double-digit numbers. So this would be in the tens place. This would be in the ones place. So this is 52. And then they would have to be able to identify that and write it to get their X or O. That would not be one you'd use dice for. Anyway, I hope you guys have fun playing some tic-tac-toe this weekend. I miss all you unicorns. Have a great weekend. Bye.